Hello, what's going on everyone? In today's video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, what does the F in a F5 tornado stand for? Well, I'll give you a list of the option, and here's the list of the option. The very first option is Furchgott, second option is Fujita, the third option is Facula, the very last option is Fleming, and the correct answer for the question is Fujita. And here is the reason why Fujita is the correct answer for the question. The F in an F5 tornado stands for Fujita, not Furchgott, Facula, nor Fleming. The Fujita scale, developed by Dr. Tetsuya Theodore Fujita in 1971, is used to classify tornado intensity based on the damage caused by a tornado's wind. The scale ranges from F0 to F5, with an F5 tornado being the most powerful and capable of causing catastrophic damage, while the other options are notable in their own right. Furchgott is related to endothelium-derived rising factor. Facula is a bright area of the sun's surface, and Fleming is associated with discovery of penicillin. It is a Fujita scale that specifically pertains to tornado intensity and the classification of tornadoes based on their destructive potential. So that is correct answer for the question, Fujita. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.